से जुड़ी किसी भी छोटी या बड़ी अपडेट के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें स्पोर्ट्स तक और साथ ही किसी भी नोटिफिकेशन को पाने के लिए बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें।
I guess firstly, how the field? Can you just describe what you were feeling and what you thought of that?
Yeah, I loved it, and I would say that we all loved it. And the energy they created, I have watched it on YouTube and all earlier, and when I watched it in real, it was totally amazing feeling. The energy they created was amazing, and whole ceremony was really good. And at the end also, the way we met them, it's good to see other culture and embrace it, and like how we shook hand and touch our head to each other. I'm sure that passes energy, and it was amazing. Yeah, very nice.
There was some talk that happened because we were trying to put you off your game. What do you think of that?
Sorry?
There was some talk that happened because we were trying to put you off your game and scare you a bit. What do you think of that?
No. It was as in changing our mindset from that thing, isn't it? No, it was totally nice, and we loved it. That's it.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Have you had a moment to be able to take stock and reflect on what that milestone means to you?
It means that I've been performing well, and and yeah, I'm happy about it, and very grateful that I achieved that milestone, and it's part of the journey, and it's done now. So I am thankful for it, and that's it. I just move on. Yeah, and I look forward to score more runs for my team and do well consistently.
Talking about scoring runs, historically there's been plenty of runs out on that pitch there. The past two games played against Sri Lanka, New Zealand scored over 300.
In this.
Yes, at this ground.
All right.
Do you look at that as a batsman? Look at how it's played historically, and does that excite you? The reason why I ask that is because Napier historically played a lot of runs, but
Yeah.
he found New Zealand out.
Yeah.
What's the mindset as a batsman when you go about to play at a pitch that historically has a lot of runs?
Of course, we see the history about the ground, like what scores have been, what's the average score over there, and then we go into that data. But at the same time, we see the pitch as well, and see alright what the surface can do. Or once we go in for batting, once we see it for an over or two, then we get a good touch of it, that how much we can make it, and then we at that particular moment we know that what target we can set as a openers, and sometimes even if there's a good pitch, like last pitch was good, it was bit double pace as well, but the start which we got and the pressure we built on New Zealand, that's why we could restrain them on that lower total. Yeah.
Time when you battled Virat as well, and was 7 knockouts, 7 runs. So can you talk about your partnership with Virat, your standing with Virat?
It's very good. We guys have been playing for a long time, so it's a normal thing for us. It's and yeah, we enjoy it. It's good that with Virat, the good thing about with him that we rotate the strike very well, and that is one thing which keeps the pressure off. And of course, किसी एंड से अगर चौके मार रहा है कोई भी बैट्समैन, चाहे वो विराट मार रहा हो चाहे मैं मार रहा हूँ, तो दूसरे बैट्समैन को बड़ी आसानी हो जाती है. तो हम ऊपर के 3 में हम इतना खेले हैं, अब 115 मैच में इन तीनों इकट्ठे ही खेले हैं सारे, तो वो एक नॉर्मल घर वाली बात नहीं होती रोज का करना, तो फिर वो वैसा रहता है. और कोई वो नहीं रहता कि अगर कोई ऐसा मोमेंट आता है कि भाई कोई थॉट होता है, वो कम्युनिकेट करते हैं फिर कि यार अच्छा ऐसा लग रहा है तो ऐसा कर सकते हैं, वैसा लगता है, तो वो सारी चीज़ें नॉर्मल है.
शिखर, हिंदी में जानना चाहूँगा.
हाँ जी.
जो एक्सपीरियंस जो रहा है आज ग्राउंड पे आने के बाद.
हाँ जी, बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा, बड़ा दिल खुश हुआ. जैसे मैंने बोला कि दूसरे, मतलब मैं अगर अपनी बात करूँ तो मेरे को दूसरे कल्चर एम्ब्रेस करने का बड़ा शौक़ है, और ये जो एक खाका है वो न्यूजीलैंड का बड़ा रिचुअल और एक फेमस चीज़ है. और जैसे मैं बोला कि असलियत में देखना, असलियत में उसकी एनर्जी फील करना, वो प्रेजेंस, इट वाज टोटली अ डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस, एंड वेरी ग्रेटफुल कि यहाँ के लोकल जो लोग हैं वो उन्होंने आके किया, इतना अच्छा परफॉर्म किया और सारे लड़के खुश थे, सब ने बड़ा इन्जॉय किया और यस उनकी ब्लेसिंग ली और आई एम श्योर कि उनकी ब्लेसिंग्स कल वर्क करेंगी हमारे लिए.
In New Zealand, there's after these matches, New Zealand have got one day against Bangladesh with a big focus this year being the World Cup. There's a lot of talk in the New Zealand side about players playing for places. Is there that much competition in the Indian side at the moment to get a place in the 15-man squad for that World Cup, or is there a lot of players pushing other players for spots in that team at the moment?
Yep, absolutely. The competition is always there in our side, and if you see, even when the youngsters have come in, all the youngsters have been performing really good. And if I talk about Indian cricketer, they're getting mature very quickly, especially our youngsters. So that way it creates a lot of competition in the team, and everyone has to be on their toes. And at the same time, our team has been performing very well. So if I give example of Prithvi Shaw, the way he came in test team and he scored a century, then 70 runs against West Indies. So it shows that we got our bench strength is also very good. Even our current boys are very good, and at the same time in those 15 we have a very high competition.
Has there been much of an adjustment for you playing here from Australian conditions? How big has been any adjustment you've had to make? You look as though you'd come out and just slot it straight into New Zealand conditions.
I guess that Australian and New Zealand conditions are quite similar, and we guys have been in Australia for a long time, and I back my technique, back my instinct, and I know that my technique suits all sort of wickets, so I go and respect myself.
That's an important part of cricketers world over now, isn't it? You have to be able to adjust.
Sorry?
Moving from place to place.
Yep, absolutely. And once you see, we guys, I've been doing it for 4-5 years now, so it's just a mental adjustment straight away. Like once I go on the pitch, I'll know, okay, this pitch is doing this thing, so then I'll create a plan over there, that particular moment, and I know that, okay, I can play these sort of shots or these not, which are high risk or small risk shots for me. Yes.
Like two more questions. Shishir, जब शुरू जैसे आपका पार्टनर अगर जल्दी आउट हो जाए ओपनिंग,
हाँ जी,
तो आपका रोल जैसे होता है कि फर्स्ट 10 ओवर्स में आप पावर प्ले में बाउंड्रीज लगाएं. फर्स्ट 10 ओवर्स के बाद आपका थोड़ा माइंडसेट चेंज होता है कि नहीं, मुझे रन भी पार खेलने, क्योंकि इंडियन टॉप ऑर्डर जो है सोचता है कि हम लोग डीप जाएं, इनिंग्स को डीप लेके जाएं.
हाँ जी.
आपका माइंडसेट चेंज होता है, या आप अगर आपको एक शुरुआत मिलती है तो आप उसी में खेलना चाहते हैं?
नहीं, बिल्कुल होता है कि भाई ऊपर तक लंबा जाए, तभी इतने लंबे रन भी बनाए हुए हैं पीछे. तो हाँ, वो बिल्कुल है, और वो उसी को ही रिपीट करने की कोशिश करते हैं. और डे टू डे डिपेंड करता है. अब जैसे जिस तरीके की मेरी गेम है, कभी ऐसा भी दिन होता है जिस वक्त फ्लो इतना फ्लो में होता हूँ कि रोकना कभी मुश्किल होता है अपने आप को, तो उस वक्त फिर मैं उस फ्लो को भी कैरी करता हूँ. तो और कभी ऐसा होता है कि बड़े तरीके से प्यार से खेल रहे हैं, और टारगेट पे भी डिपेंड करता है. अब 300 का टारगेट है, 350 का, तो वहाँ जाके फिर आराम से तो नहीं खेलेंगे. उसके लिए पहले 10 ओवर में हमारे को एज ए ओपनर तेज स्टार्ट देना बड़ा ज़रूरी है. वो एक जो मोमेंटम क्रिएट करना टीम के लिए, ताकि जो ऊपर से मोमेंटम क्रिएट करें और दूसरे बैट्समैन को फायदा हो, तो वो सारी चीज़ें भी काम में आती. तो वो मैच टू मैच, स्कोर टू स्कोर डिपेंड करता है, और थोड़ा बहुत मूड पे भी डिपेंड कर जाता है.